Hi guys, this is Shubham. You're watching all about technology. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make beautiful message in Android device with text repeater app. So without further delay, let's get started. So guys, this is the app that you have to use. The app name is text repeater and there are so many options available. So this is the repeated text. All you have to do, you have to just enter what text you wanted to repeat and you can type the limit, and after you just click on generate. Here you can see that's how it works. You can also increase to 2000. There is a limit. Here you can see. After that you can use the other option like random text. This is as same as text repeater, but it makes your alphabets between numbers and other things. Here you can see. That's how it works. The text can be anything. You have to select just format, or you can say the alphabets and other things. So let's move on to repeated letters. So here you can see you can type anything you wanted to type, and after that you have to just enter the characters, and here you can see that's how it works. So you can send it to your friend. So let's move on to the next one. The next one is crazy text. Here you can see you can type anything to get in different format. So here you can see the example is the hello, and here you can see there are different formats are available, and this is as same as the previous one but in emojis, and this is also as same as the repeated text. So guys, if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my other channel which is my vlog channel, and thank you so much.